cheap pan shrimp. So it's a lot of cruciferous vegetables, which, I know that we know we should eat vegetables, but sometimes we're not that into making them. You know what I mean? And so this is a really nice way to sort of change things up. So I take half a cauliflower and I just kind of break it up, and we're going to put it in a bowl and season it. And so also, obviously, Rachel, Jade's almost 13 now, and she's very picky about what she eats. And so I had to find fun ways to kind of make it interesting for her. And roasting vegetables with olive oil, a little bit of Parmesan cheese really works. So I add a little bit of oregano, and I'm also going to add a little bit of red onion. And you could use whatever onion you want. Some people like shallots. I like red onion. It's sweet. And remember, colorful, as much color as you can add to it.
Color
and then
equals,
a little bit of salt.
Color equals great nutrition. That's eating your vitamins for sure. I can't believe Jade's almost 13. That's incredible.
Oh yeah, we're going into teenager mode, which is going to be, it's an adventure. So then I have some tomatoes and I dump it all. I know. I remember it was just yesterday when she was a little baby. But anyway, you mix it all together and then you throw it in the oven at 450, and you're going to cook this for about 30 minutes. And then you're going to add the shrimp on top of it for the last 8 to 10 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this in the oven.
So easy. How beautiful.
And then the shrimp, you got to do a little bit later. But this is pretty much what the whole thing looks like. And then the shrimp is just a little bit of the same, basically a little bit of oregano, some salt. I mean, it's pretty simple stuff. It's colorful. It's tasty. It makes for a great weeknight meal. And it's also really good for you. So the shrimp also have a little panko.
Color and flavor rather than lots of carbs or tons of dairy. You're just replacing it with volume of stuff that's really good for you and that even the whole family can enjoy.
So I make sure that there's a little bit of everything in here, for everybody.
And I love that you're adding citrus zest, Giada. That's so important, right? It's such a flavor brightener. It's huge.
Yes, it brings out all of the smells and all the flavor, and it's a flavor enhancer. So I end the dish when it's still hot with some fresh lemon zest.
It's beautiful. Continued success, my friend. Thank you for letting us into your home today.
Thank you, doll.
Congratulations again. It's a beautiful book, and it's a beautiful, simple meal I'm sure everybody will be thrilled about. Mwah!
Thanks
Big
for
kiss.
having me. Mwah! Ciao.